6 divided by 3 over 2 times 4. 2 into here 1, 2 into 4, 2. Then we have 3 times 2 will give us 6. Then 6 divided by 6 will give us 1. 1 is the wrong answer to this question because we are to solve division first before multiplication, because division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we work from our left to our right. Let's solve the right answer to this question. We are going to solve our division first before multiplication using the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. We are going to keep 6, change division to multiplication, and flip 3 over 2 to 2 over 3. Then multiply by 4. 3 into here 1, 3 into here 2. We are left with 2 times 2 times 4. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then 4 times 4 will give us 16. 16 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.